Hey everyone, Matt here, MRB Accounting. So this is 3 essential things that you need to know if you're a YouTuber, any type of content creator that is receiving income, revenue from any platform. So number 1, you have to declare all income, whether it's YouTube or Google. Starting, let's just say in 2018, you made $400 from YouTube. You need to make sure that you're reporting that to the IRS on your tax filing at the end of the year. Google also, they have to give you a 1099 form. I'm going to actually post a link in a blog post later on today that gives you access to the Google site, exactly where you can troubleshoot and receive a 1099 form from. So any type of brands that you've worked with, let's say you earned $600 from those brands, each of these sponsors, each of these brands, they need to give you a 1099 form. So even if they didn't give you one, they're supposed to, you know that you earned the money and you need to report it as part of your total receipts at the end of the year. Please reach out. We can send you guys an organizer. If anyone needs that, just DM us with your email and we can shoot that right over to you. So the second area here is that there is no gray area when it comes to declaring income under the IRS's hood of what you can claim or what you should be claiming. So tax deductions, there definitely are some gray area there, but when it comes to income, there's absolutely no gray areas. It's very binary. It's on or off. Did you earn it or you didn't? Now, you know, as a contractor, you might think that you could slip some questionable expenses through that deduction category, but the IRS here, it's best not to play any sort of games with them. You have to be 100% confident that, God forbid, you got audited, MRB Accounting would help you out, but that you could argue and win the case for those expenses that you claim. So please don't try to get away with anything. Don't take any chances with the IRS, especially under a new category, so to speak, of revenues. YouTube creators, they're making millions of dollars these days. I see it myself. I follow tons. We're on the cutting edge of how to account and help out YouTubers when it comes time to taxes and just general bookkeeping throughout the months. So again, please don't try to slip anything through. The IRS will catch you. So the third one here, you can file an extension on paperwork, but not on payment. So what that means is that, let's say April 15th, April 16th, whatever the date might be of that year coming up, you don't have your paperwork together. You're still figuring out what you expensed, how much you actually made. You're still waiting for 1099s from certain individuals and entities. You can ask your accountant to submit an extension, or you could file on paper-based, but you could ask for an extension for the IRS to hold off for 6 months. This extension is simply for the time to file, not time to pay. So if you owe any money, you're going to start to receive penalties and interest on it if you owe. So in the next video here, we're going to talk about YouTubers especially and our top 10 deductible expenses. So please, everyone, like, subscribe, and that's Jesse.